Hi guys, this is Gaurav from Myra and welcome to Digital Marketing Tips and Tricks series. In this short video, I will share some thoughts about email marketing and how it has evolved and how you can use it in 2021 to take advantage. First thing first, the email marketing is changing faster than you expect. It doesn't work the way it was working in 2005. In 2005, we were doing some startup and we were able to sell a lot of stuff just using email. It was very simple. You go to the web, use a scraper, get a email IDs, and then put it in a program which can send bulk emails. People used to open the email, click on our link, come to the website, and make a purchase. But all of that has changed now. It doesn't work anymore. So in this short video, you will learn how to play this game in 2021 and what are the rules and how you should take advantage of the new situation and what to avoid. So I will try to answer the following questions. Is the email really dead or not? If not, then how to do email marketing correctly and what not to do. Email is really a powerful and free tool because you can send emails for free really. uh, Compare this with doing PPC adverts etc., where for per click you are paying dollars, 20 rupees 40 rupees per click, but email is really free. But it is very, that is why it is very powerful, but to use it correctly you need to follow few rules. So I would say in short, email is not dead, but winning with email has become harder. It is because a lot of things have changed in last 10 years, especially after which Gmail has come. It is very hard to send spam emails and reach out to your audience because their algorithm is going to put your email into a spam box, or when the user mark your email as a spam, basically you do not have a reach, and you also risk blocking your IP address and blacklisting your domain, which will be really really bad for you because you will not be able to communicate with your buyers or customers or any prospects. So now there is no free lunch in spamming. So the first rule is do not spam. If you're ever thinking about sending bulk emails to people just to develop prospect, do not do that because the AI algorithms which Google and other email software uses will definitely going to catch it, and they're going to block your IP and blacklist your domain as well. So do not spam. So rule number two, provide value and get genuine subscriber. This is very important. So now there is no free lunch. We have to really work hard and get genuine subscribers who are interested into our content and really provide some value so that a user can give and get a, allow you to actually receive emails from you. So that is very important. If you really want to send bulk email, here's a quick tip. Send Blaster is still a very good software. It allows you to send email, track, and analyze your campaign. And if you're using Amazon SES, basically Sendy is one of the best software. So rule number three, work really hard to build your subscribers list. This is very important. Just by buying external email databases and sending spam email is really dead. You cannot rely on that anymore. Rule number four, create relevant content which keeps your user and subscriber engaged and ready to receive your email, open it, because software such as Gmail also look at how engaged the user is from your email and decides to put into the inbox, promotional spam or anywhere. So if your content is relevant and the user is actually opening it and using it, you will get the inbox view. And if you really make it to the inbox, open rate will shoot around 30 to 40%. But if you make to the promotion tab, your open rate will be around 5%. So create a good and relevant content for the users, and so that they can really enjoy your emails. No more than one email per week. This works because we do not want the user to send emails every day and really spam it. So in summary, what I'm trying to say is that the old rules do not work. Never, never, never spam, because this will create a lot of trouble for you. Even if you're trying to send email from your Gmail account, you know that you cannot send more than 100 emails per Gmail account. And if some of the users mark those emails as spam, basically the Google will block your account as well. So please do not do that. So that's the rule. But if you still want to use external email databases, there is a way to do it and actually reach out to those users. But first, you have to find them on Facebook and LinkedIn. And basically, Facebook and LinkedIn is the only open platform which allows you to do this. By adding a customer list in the Facebook, you can actually upload the email IDs and name of the people, and actually show them your posts to them. So you can specifically target them. That's a good thing. Later on, they can come to your website and become your subscriber. In LinkedIn, you can again create an audience by uploading a list. So it works in the same way. So these are the two platforms which are available to use external databases to your advantage. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like